precise, to the point, and very focused. I love her way of explanation. A lot to learn from Elle.
Thank you.
And thank you for the wonderful, wonderful sharing, Elle, today. It is beautiful, and always love to hear from you.
Thank you.
I think it's going to make people really look at the 9 coming days with more mindfulness and with more thoughts. It's not just about bringing God Ganesha here and saying bye-bye to him. It's also about looking at yourself and seeing what can you create from there. Yeah. So that was so beautifully done, Elle. Amazing.
Thank you.
No more questions. I will be reading some cards for you, Elle, for Aarti, and for others, whoever wants. So you can put all your, you can ask questions today. Mood mein hu main. I don't do this very often. बहुत कम हाथ में आती हूँ, so. Okay. Elle, any specific question?
Whatever the universe wants to tell me.
Wow. Okay, the universe is saying that right now during this time, maybe you're so busy taking care of everybody else that you may be not taking such good care of yourself. So it's asking you to bring a little bit more playfulness for yourself and saying that nurture yourself and get connected with yourself. And the best part is bring in friendships and connect to your friends right now. So I would on this day just say, hey, thank you for being here and thank you for being our friend, because what you've shared today only comes from a friend. It doesn't come from anybody else. So beautiful. Thank you so much.
I connected to so many friends today, and today was really a day of self-care. I took no sessions. I did nothing.
Good.
A friend of mine sent me khana, so I had no cooking. So it was really a day of self-care, and then connecting at night to all you friends.
Wow. Where do you stay, Elle?
I stay in Mumbai, Worli.
Okay. Not close from my house. I would have sent me once a lunch for you.
Oh, anytime. I'm a foodie. Anytime. I never say no to good food.
Aarti,
sure, sometime.
Any question, Aarti?
No. Anything.
Okay, a lot of spiritual growth happening for you right now. Lot of growth happening. I still feel that I need to pull out another card. A lot of healing that you're doing and a lot of healing that's happening for you right now. So brilliant. And messages that will be given to you in the dreams. And so focus on them and see, maybe all this is going to be happening in your dreams. A lot of healing for you will come in as you're connecting with the whole world and connecting with everyone. So anybody else wants reading?
Thank you, Anu.
You're most welcome.
Anu, for me?
Me, yeah. Anu Didi, Shrin, me.
Okay, do me a favor. Give me the name, give me the Mika name, and then I will do the reading for you. So Teji?
Shrin.
Ashwin.
Yeah, Teji,
yeah.
Ashwin, कोई सवाल? कोई सवाल है?
क्या पूछो?
मुझे क्या पता आप क्या पूछोगे, बताओ ना.
Ma'am, reading for me also, Amita.
आप बताना.
Okay.
पहले तेजी का कर लो आप, कोई बात नहीं.
एक मिनट. Let me just change the focus. Cancel the spotlight. Okay. So I'm doing first for Teji or for Ishwin? Ishwin, सवाल कोई?
Career.
You and your
to
career.
make myself happy and my family. I want अभी मुझे अपनी family के लिए जीना है, बस.
You got all the tips from Elle today, Ishwin.
हाँ, फिर क्या?
That
देखिए,
we will start from tomorrow morning, right?
आज से ये पूछेंगे
Now,
आप,
now.
अश्विन, आज से ये पूछेंगे जो एल ने कहा कि आपको काम करना क्यों है। आप
खुद को
अगर,
खुश रखने के लिए,
वेरी गुड, तो जो भी आप काम
खुद को
करोगे,
खुश रखने के लिए।
जो भी काम करोगे उसमें बहुत सारी abundance मिलेगी, and you will be celebrating your love, fun that you will be achieving through the work and spreading it throughout. So जो भी आप काम करोगे बहुत अच्छा करोगे, इसलिए डरे बिना go ahead and just do what you are supposed to do. इतना मत सोचो।
Thank you.
She will be the world's best chef, Anu. She's an amazing, amazing cook.
खाने की बात मत करो।
Thank you, Teji. Thank you.
Okay, so next for Teji. Teji, you need to release a lot of fear, a lot of negative emotions that you allow yourself to get surrounded or engulfed with. So just surrender in front of God, in front of universe, and just allow things to come. Like Elle said, allow yourself to be supported.
Mm-hmm.
That's very, 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 very important.
अक्षय चलो सोने.
And a lot of signs coming to you right now as to what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, and a lot of abundance knocking on your door. So brilliant. Anybody else?
Absolutely. Anu's channel, abundance, I'm already getting, Anu. Thank you so
Before
much.
you do another reading, may I take your leave? May I take everyone's leave and say thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for inviting me here. And may Ganesha bring all of you so much, so much, so much blessings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, El. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gratitude.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, El. Bye.
Thank
Bye
you, Anu.
bye.
Thank you, Aarti.
Bye bye. Okay. So, Lavanya, you have a question?
It can be general, Anu.
Okay. आपको freedom चाहिए. So you have to ask yourself, freedom from what? What kind of freedom are you looking for? And you need to start taking more care of yourself. And it would be a great idea, sweetheart, if you start studying and enroll yourself into something that would put you into more freedom. Gyan is one thing that really takes you out of all kind of darkness and can give you freedom beyond anything else can. So I hope you got your answer. We have the next person who is there, Deepa, right? Deepa, could you please unmute yourself and tell me what question do you want?
General, please.
General. So Deepa, do you have kids?
Yeah, I have 2 daughters.
And are you constantly worried about them? Deepa, you're muted. Are you constantly worried about them? Looks like...
No, I'm not worried about them. They're well settled.
Okay. Okay. So the first card that's come is the card of the children. Looks like that there could be your, not worry, maybe concern about them in some form. So let's look at the next card. Right now is the time when you're getting divinely guided. Everybody, could you please mute yourself? I really appreciate. Divine guidance is what you're getting.
Yeah.
I'm going to mute you because there's a lot of sound. Okay, and for you also it's come, please study, please educate yourself, get into some kind of work, get into some kind of courses, studies. आजकल बहुत लोग बहुत सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं. Go join it. Anybody else? We have Amita. Amita, what is the question?
And general reading.
General reading. Okay. So Archangel Michael is there. It's saying that जो भी तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं सब खत्म होने वाली हैं, and you just, there will be balance that will be restored in your life. This is the time that you must manifest. So आँख बंद करो, जो आपको तरीका बताया है आज manifest करने का वो करो और आगे move करो. I'm just going to pull out one card for everyone from the romance angels because बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारा झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. This is for all of us. We need to start trusting people that we are living with. Somewhere we are not trusting ourselves. We are not trusting and having faith in people that we are living with. We need to have faith that they are not there to destroy us, or they're not there with us because we don't love them or they don't love us. We are probably closed up into small rooms right now with the people who are challenging, is because we need to learn how to trust them. The next card says that it's time to disconnect from the whole world and just be absorbed in the small compartments that we have got caught up with. Basically, if in your house you are with your husband and 2 children, बस वही दुनिया समझो थोड़ी देर के लिए और enjoy करो उसको. The last card. It's a divine timing at work and your love life. This is a divine timing for all of us. Hum by chance nahi. There are no accidents that we are caught up with people that we are caught up with. So when there are no accidents, if there were accidents, that means we are not trusting our universe, we are not trusting the God. Everything is happening by the divine purpose. And I'm picking up last 2 cards from the mermaids for all of us. So all of us need to make a decision. We are feeling stuck, or we are indecisive. We need to listen to our intuition and make a decision about our life. And we are searching for spiritual growth. And we are searching for love of the spiritual kind, which all of us will achieve. The last card. And we all need to rest. छुट्टी करते हैं. Time हो गया. अभी सो जाएंगे हम सब लोग. We will all go and sleep. Good night. देखो angels ने कहा है सो जाना चाहिए. So अच्छे बच्चे बनके आज सब अच्छे से सो जाएंगे. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that.
Thank you, Anu. No one is going.
कोई सवाल चाहिए और कुछ पूछना है? Boss, do you need to ask anything else? If you need to ask any question, this is the right time. I'm actually in the mood and I can read for you. No?
Card for me if you could read.
Pardon?
From the universe.
Can you say that loudly, please? Who is
A
this?
card for me, whatever comes from the universe.
Who is this?
Nikita here, Nikita.
Okay, Nikita. Wonderful. Nikita, if I was asking you which pack would you prefer, what would you say?
The one on the right, your right hand.
This one?
No,
The other one.
the one.
हाँ, मेरे को right left नहीं समझ में आता है. You'll confuse me. She said brown or blue. That's easier one. Okay. Okay, Nikita, you've been asking for something to happen. This is the time when the universe is saying that your prayers are going to be answered. So that's the answer for you. So everything is manifesting just the way you want it.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Anybody else? Vasvi, you have a question?
This is Bhavita. Can you take out one card for me as well?
Of course. Which one? The blue pack or the brown one?
Brown one.
Pardon?
Brown one.
Brown one. Okay.
Yeah. What is the message for me today?
Okay. Bhavita. Just a minute. Wow. So the first card that I picked up is the card that you are emerging and something new is happening in your life. At the time when you're asking me this question, it's a divine timing. This is the time to get back your power and to slowly gain back what you've left behind. So go there, be a go-getter, nothing is going to happen to you, and do what you're supposed to do. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anu.
You're most welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're most
I
welcome.
also want to know what
Yes,
the universe has to say.
for you?
Yeah, for me.
Okay. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, that was an extra card that just fell out. Okay. So the first card says, be like a child, receiving. The child does not question, does not become the mother. So be like a child, receiving, and accept yourself. Accept yourself the way you are. You are growing into a beautiful young lady, and get back your power. Don't leave it with anyone or with anything. Be
Wow.
power. Okay?
Okay. Thank you for that.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Anybody else? Anu mood में है. Ishwin, तुम्हारी
Anu, one for me, please.
who is this?
मैं यही हूँ, कहीं
Disha.
नहीं गई। अनु दीदी मैं यही हूँ, कहीं नहीं।
Very good. अच्छा,
आप जब तक इधर हो मैं वहीं रहती हूँ।
Very good. अच्छा, कौन था ये मैं कर रहे थे?
Disha. Disha.
दिशा, सवाल क्या है?
Message from Ganesha for me.
अरे वाह. Message from Ganesha for you. Just give me a minute. बहुत ग्रो करने वाले हो spiritually. गणेशा जी कह रहे हैं आपके लिए. So I just feel 2 more cards are required. What's happening? This is a divine timing and divine growth is there for you. Just take care of yourself, please, please, please. थोड़ा rest करें, थोड़ा pamper करें. Enjoy yourself. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है तुमको. Rest and take care of your body.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Anybody else? One for...
वापस पूछ सकते हैं?
रुको हाँ पूछ सकते हैं. पहले यहाँ पे जो फेसबुक पे है उनके लिए पढ़ देते हैं. चंदना 2 मिनट दीजिए.
ठीक है, फिर आप बताना कि
यस, क्वेश्चन लिख दीजिए. चंदना, राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. Okay. So Chandana, the card that has come is the card of blessings, and it seems that you are doing good and enough good, and God is showering a lot of blessings on you. So just enjoy. I don't think you can get a better card than this. Relax and enjoy yourself. Yes, anybody else? Ishwin, तेरा last में पढ़ूंगी, एक पढ़ चुकी हूँ.
ठीक है, thank you.
Anybody else? Anybody else? चलो, Ishwin का. Yes, anybody else? Ishwin का पढ़ते हैं, and then we say goodbye. चलो, Ishwin, तेरे लिए क्या पढ़ना है अभी?
अब जो आप पढ़ना चाहें.
थोड़ी सी मेडिटेशन करना शुरू करो. थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करना शुरू करो. सब कुछ जा रहा है the way you want it to go. थोड़ा सा प्यार मोहब्बत लेके आए मैडम. कह दिया जा करे उनको भी I love you.
Really?
हाँ.
सही में.
सही है. Okay, guys, enjoy yourself. Happy Ganesha.
Thank you.
Have a great time. Have a great week. Weekend तो नहीं है अपना. Sunday को मिलेंगे फिर से हम लोग. आज Friday है ना? Sunday we are meeting. I will be talking to you guys on Sunday. Along with Kuzuyu from California. She will be doing laughter yoga with us, and I will be doing a talk with you guys. So for a change,
वो
I
जो पहले आए थे वो लाफ्टर योगा की जो कैलिफोर्निया से लेडी शी केम राइट द
yes,
क्लैपिंग वन
yes.
ओह गुड दैट्स
So
गुड
she is going to be there, and I'm going to be talking. I just thought सब speakers को side पे करके बोला आज मेरे को भी chance चाहिए.
came across आज one of your student today एक other Zoom session पे
Okay.
she is your student Mugdha
Yes,
Mugdha she is from Calcutta
yes, she's from Calcutta. She's a
right
brilliant.
and she told me that she learned Metta Life from you she is your student
Meta Health. Meta Health.
Metta Health right yeah she's moving to US na she got married so she was curious to know about it
Yes,
yeah
yes, yes.
she was talking very high of you
Thank you so much.
you're
चलो जी.
welcome world is so small
Jai,
right
नमस्ते. Bye bye.
गाना तो लगाइए ना
अच्छा गाना लगाओ.
Bye.
एक लगाओ ना
Bye.
थोड़ा सा
एक मिनट पहले मेरे को ना लाइव पे स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है
Okay, and I will have to stop the